Hello and welcome to this Myop tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to delete a project. Before we get started, it should be noted that only owners and administrators can delete projects. Deleting projects should only ever be done in cases where the project was added by mistake. Deleting projects removes all the project information from Myop. Once a project is deleted, the information from that project will not be recoverable. First, find the project you want to delete and click to open that project. Next, click the Project Settings button. A window will pop up. At the bottom of the window, there is a button that says Delete Forever. Click this button. Warning: deleting projects will permanently delete all tasks, time entries, and other information associated with that project. You will not be able to recover this information. After you click the Delete Forever button, type Delete in all capitals into the window which just popped up. Finally, click Delete. The project and all its information is now permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. That concludes this tutorial. If you require further assistance, please visit our help center at www.usemyop.com. Thanks for watching.